Hello, my creatively intelligent artists. Welcome back to art class. For today's class, we are going to be creating this awesome Mother's Day card. And it's a pop-up card with a few simple steps. The materials needed are glue, marker, scissors, pencil, 2 full-size colored paper, and a half sheet of paper. We're going to start by creating the inside of the card. And I'm using my yellow paper. Fold your paper in half. Cut the paper. Now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to speed this up. Let's turn the paper, fold it in half. Now I'm making a small card. If you'd like to make a bigger one, that is fine. Now we're going to draw 3 halves of a heart, starting with a small one. So we're going to go up with a curved line, out and down. Up with our curved line, out, around, and down. We're going to do one more. Up, around, out, and down. Now I'm going to draw a line going all the way across. I'm going to draw another line. Erase this section. We will not be cutting that area, so we're going to erase that section. Then we're going to cut. Now remember, we had erased the section, so we're going to cut to these points. And we're going to leave this area blank. Cut and stop. Cut. Stop, cut, and stop. Going to turn the paper. We're going to do the same thing. Cut, stop, we're cutting all the way around. Cut. We're stopping at the mark. I'm going to go ahead and erase the lines that are here. What I'm going to do is open my card. Now, if you notice, you have 3 different sections. I'm going to go ahead and for this section, I'm going to cut it all away. That's for the first one. And for this section also, I'm going to cut it. However, I'm going to stop it right here where the original cut is. So all I'm going to do is come with my scissors. Going to cut across. I'm going to do the same thing here. Cut across. Remember, if I'm going too fast, go ahead and pause the video and remove. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to write I on this side and I'm going to write you. So it'd be like, I love you. I'm going to get in my black marker. Write in my I. You. Now we're going to go ahead and work on the cover of our card. So we're going to be doing the cover of our card. We just did the inside. Put it aside, and you're going to grab your pink paper, and we're folding it in half. And then we're going to cut it. I'm going to go ahead and speed the video. I'm going to fold it in half. I'm going to grab my purple, and I'm going to create a right angle triangle, and this will be my bouquet. Starting from the edge, we're going to come out, and at the bottom of my triangle, I'm going to put a curved line. And go ahead and cut. The paper that's left, you're going to cut as many hearts as you'd like. I used 2 different sizes. I'm going to go ahead and glue, and I'm going to go ahead and glue my bouquet here. The right angle goes on the straight side of the card. Now I've cut a small strip of paper from my yellow paper, and I'm going to measure, add in a cute little bow. Now remember, in class we did a paper bow. Now we're going to do another one. So you're going to have your paper, going to cut it a bit smaller, and we're going to hold both sides and bend inwards. Out, bend inwards. Now when you catch your bow, hold it firmly, crease it, and then you can go back and add your glue. Bring it in. Here we go. We're going to hold on to that and count for 5 seconds, and then we are going to add it to our bouquet. Now for our hearts, I'm going to go ahead and fold my hearts in half so that when I add them to the bouquet, they can pop up. I'm going to glue one side of my heart down, and I'm alternating the colors. So I'll put yellow, then purple, then yellow, then purple. So I'm adding glue to one side of my hearts. And I'm going to fold and add the smaller hearts. Now I'm going to speed the video up. Remember, if I'm moving too fast, you can go ahead and pause the video. Now what I'm going to do is add Happy Mother's Day, and you can use any font that you would like or any writing style that you would like. Now we are finished with the outside of our card. Now what I'm going to do is glue the inner part. I'm going to turn my card over, and I am applying the glue to the back. Apply the glue around the edges. I'm going to take it and I'm going to glue it inside. Starting from the edge. Make sure your edges are aligned properly. I'm going back in with my eraser to get rid of the bold lines that I have, the pencil lines. When you're finished, you're going to put the sides of your card together and you're going to fold this corner right here. Fold it in first and then close. And now we are all done. I had fun with you in art class today. See you next time. Bye.